The VPI PNL-PTCH-FIBER-DM-LCLC-48 48Port Duplex LC Fiber Optic Patch Panel. 48Port Duplex LC Fiber Optic Patch Panel features 48Port Duplex LC fiber configuration and supports high-density fiber connections. It provides organized and secure fiber management and durable construction for long-term use. The panel ensures efficient signal distribution with minimal loss and allows easy installation and maintenance. It is scalable for enterprise and AV networks and is designed for professional fiber optic infrastructure. Visit HDTVSupply.com to learn more.